This is Kevin from Reach Roofing at 16 Gloria, Monroe, New Jersey, doing a repair attempt on this shingle. This is the shingles above. As you can see already from just taking the nails out, you have creases forming on the top of these shingles. It's a different size 3 tab too. It's a little annoying. We will leave the shingle on the ground if you need to get it. So this is the result of the shingles after the repair above. Trying to repair this one shingle, you need to lift the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shingles above it, cause the damage to those shingles, which would then require those shingles to need to be replaced. And then it's a domino effect. This damage wasn't there prior to the storm, it shouldn't be there after the repair attempt. In our professional opinion, this roof cannot be repaired and must be replaced.